Hello friends, welcome to Maths class.
In today's class, we are going to assemble the parts of the dancing doll.
This is a dancing doll. All the parts of this dancing doll are scattered. This is hip part, this is leg part, this is head part, this is neck part. All these parts should be assembled correctly. Then only it will dance again. Which part shall I take first? I am just confused. I got it. The leg part only should be on the floor. So I take it first. This is leg part. Next, which part shall I take? I take the hip part. This is hip part. Next I will fix the neck part. Yes, these are all assembled correctly. Next I will assemble the head part. I assembled all these parts correctly. I am very happy now. Now I am going to make dance the dancing doll. It is dancing very nice. On seeing this, I am very happy. My dear friends, if we have done your work perfectly, then it gives us a confidence, doesn't it? So you also try to get solution for simple problems of your level base. Thank you.